Hello again. I'm going to do a tutorial of a dance called I'll Quiet the Storm, and the choreographer is Agnes Gauthier. I hope I pronounced that right. She does an excellent job on her tutorial. I mean, excellent job. The only thing is it's in French, and there's some of us who don't know French. I'm one of those. I did a translation via Google Translate on the step sheet, and I submitted that into Copperknob, so if you want to learn the dance, you can learn it from that. But I also thought, well, I'll just go ahead and do a tutorial too. This is a 6-4 count, 2-all, and it's a level intermediate. Music is I'll Quiet the Storm by Didier Beaumont. There's a 16 count intro. First section of the dance. You'll have weight on your left. I've got another one of these bows on my right foot. You're going to step your right foot forward and sweep your left. Step your left foot, sweep your right, and do a jazz box quarter turn cross. Okay, weights on your left, stepping with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do that one more time. Step, sweep, box quarter turn with the cross. Next section, you're going to be doing nightclubs. Big step with the right, drag your left, back rock recover. And then you're going to do the same thing on the left side, only you're going to do a quarter turn to the right on the back rock recover. Big step, drag, back rock, recover. Big step with the left, drag, turn a quarter, back rock, recover. So the count on that section is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, you will be doing a chase half turn to the right. A chase half turn to the left with a hold. So that's a pivot turn, step, and hold. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Now you're going to be doing a full turn chase with a hold going to the left. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. That section one more time. Weights on your left. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Next section, you're going to forward rock recover, side rock recover, behind side cross sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Begin your sweep. That again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Move back here a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you're going to cross over. 1, 2, 3. Now this 4, you're going to sweep and do a half turn for 5, 5, 6. It's really hard to do slow. And then step forward, right, left, 7, 8. I'm going to do that section again. Sweeping over. Well, you start your sweep and then you cross to do your one count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forgot my sweeps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not doing that very good. Okay, the next section. This is the sixth section already. Gee whiz, that was quick. Okay, you're going to step your right foot forward, and both your feet are kind of, you want to kind of tilt forward, and you're on the ball of your feet with both your feet. So it's 1 and hold 2. 1, hold 2. 3, bring your weight back down on your left. 4, step your right foot back. 5, step your left foot back. 6, do a hook on your shin. And then do a step lock. Step lock. I'm going to do that from the back side so you can see how that looks. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So weights on your left when you're done with that one. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. You're going to step forward and hold. And then do a quarter turn pivot. 1, hold 2, 3, 4. Step point, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we're on the last one here. Okay, you're going to cross your left over your right and step your right to the right. 1, 2. Then you're going to turn a quarter turn to the left and hold. 3, hold 4. Okay. Now she calls this the full mambo turn, but then on the small print it looks like it's a 3/4 turn and then 1 more quarter turn with. So I'm a little bit mixed up here. So it's a forward rock recover, and then on your, normally on a mambo you do rock forward, recover, step back. Well, you're going to rock forward, recover, and then step to your left, and then bring your left foot next to it with another quarter to the left. Or is that right? I think I got my rights and my lefts mixed up. That should be a right. So let me do that part again. We're over here. We have weight on our right. You're going to cross your left over and put your right to the right. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Now you're going to rock forward, recover, and do that 3/4 turn mambo. 5, 6, 7, 8 with your left foot. And that's the dance. I hope I did that okay for you. It's a beautiful dance. Really well written, I thought. Well, I had to translate it through Google, so I don't know how well it really came out. But thank you, Agnes Gauthier, for an excellent tutorial. I wish I knew French. I know I've got friends who don't know it either, so that's why I did a tutorial on it. Thanks again. Bye.